Hey guys, welcome to LZH project. My name is Salman Francis and this is the third video of our LZH project series Slackware edition. And in this video we will talk more about Slackware tools, and it sounds crazy, but we will install DNS. I mean DNS server. We will make this Slack box our DNS server. I know it's kind of quick. We have not covered the basics yet, but trust me, this DNS will really help us in future for our future lessons, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. So let's start. You can see that I have my Slack box and its host name is Slackzilla, and to check what's the host name of our machine is, we type hostname. Okay. To check the fully qualified hostname, we'll type hostname-f, and it will give us hostname with the domain. Okay, it's waiting. Okay, so it gave us slackzilla.local domain. So this is the fully qualified domain name of our Slackzilla. Okay, let's check the IP address of our Slackzilla, and it's ifconfig, and here we have it, 192.168.1.100. and currently what we have in resolve.conf, and if you remember from our past videos, resolve.conf is the file where you add your DNS entries so that it resolves your IP to name and name to IP. So at the moment I'm using 192.168.1.1. It's my router address. Okay, and a ping to google.com will reveal that we have internet. So just let's wait. It's a new machine, it might be thinking. Okay, I'm back. Actually there was some issue with the network card, so now we can ping. Okay, and if config will reveal that our IP address is the same, 192.168.1.100. Our route of n will reveal that our gateway is 192.168.1.1. Okay, a few quick network commands which I forget last time, like you can change network card, like the IP address of a network card, or you can give an additional IP to a network card just with ifconfig, but this change will like it's not going to be saved on the next reboot or when you restart network. So let me show you how. So at the moment we have ifconfig of like IP address of 192.168.1.100, and if I want to give an additional IP address to eth0, how can I do that? Ifconfig eth0:0, so it's first virtual IP 68.1. let's say 120 with the subnet mask 255.255.0. okay, if config eth0:0 mask. Okay, net mask, sorry about that. So let's check with ifconfig now, and there we have it. We have 192.168.1.120 and 1.100, and we can ping our 1.120 as well. Okay, now to make these changes permanent, we can use vim/etc rc.d, and we go to rc.inet1.conf. okay, and this is the configuration file where we keep information about our IP addresses. So you can see we have config information for ETH0, and we can add the same config information for ETH0:0 and the IP address. So right at the moment we are not going to use this. I just wanted to show these commands to you. So let's clear the screen, and if I restart internet network, so you will see that we will lose that information about ETH0:0. So let me restart it. Okay. It's kind of slow because it's on virtual machine, but anyway, fulfills our requirement. And let me that's nice, we still have this, but anyway, if we reboot this, it's not going to be there. So let me reboot it, and I'll pause the video just to prove. Okay, I have rebooted the system. So if we take ifconfig this time, you can see that we no longer have that ETH0:0, and this means that the changes are not permanent. So if we need to make the changes permanent, we need to make changes in that inet1.conf file. Okay, anyway, so let's update our Slackware. So to update Slackware, we will use slack package and update, and it will always says that if you don't have these mirrors uncommented, it will say that you need to uncomment the package, the mirrors, before you start that update. So you will go to etc slack package mirrors directory, press enter, and then you go to the line which says like you can select your countries or nearest countries and uncomment that. For example, if you're living in Brazil, you'll just uncomment this FTP, HTTP, Bulgaria, or if you're living in Bulgaria, you'll just uncomment these lines. So you can find your countries or nearby countries. So I'll do the same. Okay. Okay, once it's done, you'll just write and quit, and this time if you do slack package update, it will start updating, downloading and updating. So it will take some time, so let me pause the video and I'll get back to you. Thank you. Okay, we are done, and then you will run this command slack package and upgrade-all, but I'm not going to run it right now because it will take a lot of time. I have already done this on my other system. Anyway, let's try to do what we need to start. So but you guys remember that you need to run this slack package upgrade-all after you have updated the system. You need to upgrade all, and then it will start upgrading your system. Anyway, so once it's done, let's install bind. So bind is the main package for DNS, and let's check. Slack package install bind, and it says looking for bind, no package. Let's slack package search bind. Okay, and it says it's already into upgrade. So anyway, I need to upgrade it. So let's upgrade this package. Okay, let's Slack package. Okay, upgrade bind. Okay. That will take some time. Let me pause the video. Okay, we are back. Like, I'm back. So let's check if this Slack package search bind works. And yes, now it saying that it's installed. Okay, one more thing I would like to mention here, this tool, package tool, it helps you to check if you wanted to see any current installed packages. Just press enter and you can check like current installed packages from current directory, others, view the list of contained packages. So just press enter and just press B with your keyboard and you can find bind. Okay, for more information you can press enter and it will give you what it is. It's the name, daemon, and support utilities such as dig, host, and NSLOOKUP. It's all included in this package. So, and this is the basic DNS server, and it's Berkeley Internet name domain, name daemon, sorry. And Berkeley is the university where it was developed. Anyway, so let me exit, cancel. Okay, so I think I'll meet you in the next video because this video is getting lengthy. So we will make next we'll meet in the next part. Thank you for watching.